Welcome to this practice of Trataka using the flame of a candle. And we are going to use this practice as a way of complementing our fire practice and also purifying the physical eye, as well as concentrating the mind and also bringing this quality of deeper vision into our way of being. So I invite you to place a candle so that the flame is more or less at the height of your eyes, and you can also be more or less a arm's distance away, unless you have short-sightedness and you need to get a little bit closer. So you can practice this just before you go to sleep at night, as you will find it's a very beneficial way of also just burning away all of these thoughts and worries of the day, and really coming into a space which is purifying the mind and inducing a more deep and lucid sleep. So just find a comfortable position with your back straight and just allow the eyes to rest and come into a focus point, specifically looking at the brightest part of the flame. So the eyes are open continually, but try not to force, especially if this is a new practice for you. As you deepen in the practice, you will find that you can maintain your gaze for longer without the need for blinking. But to begin with, don't force your eyes. And if you need to blink, please do so. And I also just indicate that your eyes may either become red and burn, or you might have spontaneous tears coming, or perhaps the eyes feel dry. And these are just processes in adaptation of the eyes. They're actually quite purifying symptoms. According to Ayurveda, depending on our constitution, our dosha, our eyes will react in a certain way. So as you concentrate more deeply, you will recognize that the flame is very knitted, but everything around begins to become a little bit more blurry, creating the sensation of tunnel vision. This deeper connection between you and the flame. Recognize that you're coming into connection with the element of fire, and that as you contemplate the fire, you are also reawakening the fire within you. So as we've seen in our yoga practice, this fire element is very much related with the abdominal area and with Manipur chakra. So you might well feel some sensations in your belly and feel this fiery element within you. So just welcome the flame, welcome the fire, and welcome its light. Be aware of a steady breath, a spontaneous and calm breath. And as the body breathes in, you can really feel that you are absorbing the prana, the energy of the flame, bringing in its energy through the eyes, into the upper centers, into the body. And as you breathe out, you are really releasing the material of your mind and offering it into the fire for the purification of the mind. So essentially, this fire is also consuming all of the mental patterns which are not serving your higher purpose. If you have had to deal with any strong emotions or negative thoughts, you can just consciously offer them to the fire. Just imploring the fire to burn and hence to purify the quality of the thoughts, the quality of your mind. Breathing in the light. Breathing out and offering the mind to the flame. And even if you notice that the eyes flicker or blur, there's tears coming, just remain focused, allowing the fire to purify the physical eye and awaken the more subtle qualities of inner vision. For this first initiation in the practice, this is enough for now, so you can slowly close your eyes and take a deeper breath. Be very focused and aware of the image that results. You can see how the impression of the flame persists with the eyes closed. Keep the eyes very relaxed, but steady your internal gaze on this reflection of the flame. Hence, you are steadying also the mind and increasing your powers of concentration. Feel the impression in the center of the forehead. Connecting now also with this inner eye, otherwise known as the third eye. This Tranayana, or this Trikuti. So you're placing symbolically the flame, this flame of power and consciousness, printing it onto this third eye space. And as this impression of the flame reduces and finally disappears, you can deepen the breath. And if the experience has been intense for you, I can suggest that you relax your eyes afterwards by clapping your hands and rubbing the hands together very fast in order to dry them and bring heat and energy into the palms. Then you can cover the eyes, cupping them with the hands, and just receive this static energy to just relax the eyeballs even more. You can repeat this 2 or 3 times if necessary, and if you've had a lot of burning in your eyes, you can even wash your face and wash your eyes with cold water. And just integrate your practice before closing with a sense of gratitude in your heart. Namaste, thank you very much.